Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add mobile frame to screen recording a video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use an application called InShot Video Editor. This one. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed this application on your mobile phone. You can get this application from Play Store if you are Android user, or you can download it from Apple Store if you are iPhone user. And after you have installed this application, you can open it, and then we can create new project. We can click on the video option and then select new project to start creating new project. Okay, and then I'm going to add my screen recording video to the project. This one, I'm going to add this video. We can click on the check mark to import the video to our project. Okay, and then I'm going to change the canvas. I'm going to make it 16 by 9. Okay, like this. And now it's time to add mobile frame to this project. I'm going to go to the PIP, and we're going to go to the InShot material to get the mobile frame. You can get mobile frame from here for free. You just need to select the picture category, and you're going to scroll down until you find mobile frame. There will be some mobile frames you can use. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this autofill to fit the screen, and we can extend the duration according to our video duration. Okay, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to adjust the video. I'm going to make it smaller, and we can adjust the position. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. So I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a mobile frame to screen recording video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.